Hey guys, welcome back to another Residual Hustler video. And what I was just doing just now was doing some online arbitrage, and I came across something that is what I consider a winner. And I want to show you what I did to find this. It's a shirt. I'm going to show you what I did, where I got it from, and how I'm getting the extra profit. So if that's something that you want to see, stick around and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Would greatly appreciate it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive into my computer here and I'm going to show you what I was doing. Okay, now I love shopping online at KOHLS. Okay, now here's what I found. I received an email from KOHLS about 20% off. Got this a couple days ago and checked it out, found some things, and now it's the last day today to save 20%. So save 20% on specific items. So right there, that 20% could be the difference between me making profit on something at normal price from KOHLS versus not making profit. So I took advantage of it. I clicked on it, went on KOHLS, and I found this particular shirt right here. Okay. Now, if you look, it shows right here what that size, or down here what the sizes are, and it shows the discount. So let me move this over here. Okay, so normally $15.75 with a 20% discount, $12.60. I'm like, perfect. So does it sell on Amazon? Well, when I click on finding it on Amazon, it does sell. This is even the same picture right there. Now let me show you how I found it on Amazon. There's two ways. This way right here, I have downloaded the Chrome extension, the Amazon Assistant Chrome extension, and I'm going to click on it and I'm going to show you what pops up. Okay, you look down here, you see all the different shirts. Let's click on this one. It looks the same right here. Oops. Where are we at here? Right here. So that is the same one. That's even the same picture. Look at that. That's Amazon. And this is KOHLS. That's even the same picture. So now let's look at size. On KOHLS, you've got these different sizes here. I'm going to minimize this. Here, I find that the extra large and the double XL sell the most. I sell a ton of those. So we're going to click on 2X large. And now we're going to see, now I use a program called reseller. And this is it right here. It kind of gives me my calculations. So let's go back and look. The price is $12.60 from KOHLS. So I'm going to put in $12.60. And you see the profit is $18.15 after fees. Rank is 44,000 in clothing. Let's see, 43% margin, 144% ROI. That is what I'm looking at. I go down here and I look and it's sold. Oh, let me do this here. Clothing and shoes, men's shops. A lot of activity there. Sold buy box $45. The buy box has been around $45 mark. Amazon was in stock. And it doesn't sell a ton, but I'd probably buy 2 of these and have them delivered to the house and ship them into Amazon. I mean, for the price versus the profit, it doesn't sell a lot, but I would definitely get probably 2 of these and go and ship them into Amazon. Let's see. Now down here is the keep a chart. This chart tells me a lot of things, like how often it sells, how many people are on the listing. Right here, men's clothing. In that category, it literally just sold once. But I can sell this in men's shop category right there. Oops. And that's actually the one that I would sell in because that has all the activity right there. As far as new offers, there's roughly 10. There's roughly 10 people on it. Okay, here we go. 20 drops. So what this means that it's selling 20 times a month. And when I look here, there are 10 people selling it. So if I jumped on here and I would be the 11th person selling it, I would probably sell these two in about a month time frame. Not bad. I look for things that are more consistent than that, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can find on Amazon to sell doing online arbitrage. Now, if you look here on Amazon, there are a ton of different varieties, ton of variations of this that pops up when I do the Amazon Assistant. Now, let me show you a way to make sure that you're finding the exact same one in case that the picture was just not there. I have a Mac, or not, I'm a Mac, I have a PC. So I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on View Page Source. Okay, now when the source code comes up, I'm going to click Control F, and I type in UPC because I want to find the UPC number for this particular item, color, everything, so that I can double check it and find it on Amazon. So I click on UPC, and now I'm just going to hit Enter because I want to look for the UPC code. Let's see, it says UPC, here it is, the UPC code. So this is the UPC code hidden in the source code of the page. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back in Amazon. Actually, let me do this just to show you. I'm going to get out of this totally and go into Amazon and start from the beginning. And then I'm going to show you where to put that UPC code. We're going to right click and paste it right into the top. And then look here, we've got this UPC code has a lot, but this is the style of the shirt, the very first one. Come down here, this looks like the same listing again, and then there's the picture right there. So we know that that's the same one. So when you get this and you go to list it, this is the listing that you would use. And let's see here, we're going to pick the double extra large. It's going to bring up what it's selling for on Amazon, 42 bucks. Put in the $12.60 just to double check it. Profit $18.50. Now here is the ASIN right here. So when you go to load this into Seller Central to ship into Amazon, that is the ASIN that you can use. That'll take you right to this particular product right there. So buy cost $12.60, profit $18.50, 144% ROI. That is the deal. Pretty good. So I just want to jump on here real quick, show you what I do, how I do retail arbitrage. Now I'll probably get 2 of these, and I'm going to get a bunch of more stuff. I'm going to continue to look through KOHLS inventory. I always pick certain brands that I like to sell, and I always look for if I can have the item where it can be shipped to my house, because that saves me time of going to the store. So I still do retail arbitrage. I enjoy it. I go out to the stores like Ross and TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and I look for product. I like selling clothing and grocery. Those are my 2 categories that I concentrate on pretty much all the time. Christmas time comes, I'm looking at, of course, at toys, but mainly grocery and clothing. Mainly like tops, men's tops, things like that. Kids, tops, shorts. Right now, swimsuits because it's the summertime. So that is all I have for you for this video. So if you liked this and you want to learn more about selling on Amazon, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Throw me a comment. Maybe tell me what are some of the things that you like to shop for on Amazon, or actually out at the stores to sell on Amazon. So, and let me know what your thoughts are. But again, if you want more info, you can also go to the website, residualhustler.com. And this is the Residual Hustler signing out. I will see you on the next video. See you guys.